Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at Builderall's affiliate marketing program and their new old compensation plan, and I'll explain what I mean by that in this video. You may or may not know this, but my favorite digital marketing tool is Builderall. With Builderall, I've built landing pages, funnels, membership sites, websites, and also they provide my email marketing software inside of this one tool and at one price. And that doesn't even begin to touch all that you can do with Builderall. So if you've been looking for an ethical company that provides not only the tools you need to promote your business online, but also allows you to create additional income, stick around for the rest of this video. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Patrick with ProsperwithPat.com, and on this channel we discuss all things digital marketing, mindset and motivation, as well as the tips and the tricks to getting started. If you would, I'd surely appreciate a like and a comment down below, and click the notification bell to be notified when I release any new videos. Okay, well, Builderall has had a tremendous year. They had a relaunch in July to Builderall 3.0 with the addition of several new tools inside of the platform. And recently they introduced their newest site builder, the Cheetah Builder, which I've already done one video on and will likely do more given all that it has to offer. And that it's continuing to evolve and really combines the best of their previous landmark builder, the Pixel Perfect builder, with a much better mobile responsive aspect. And the speed is out of this world, which is a very important component when you're building funnels and websites. Now, Cheetah is just out of its minimal viable product phase, but they are rocking it when it comes to getting it fully functional. And by the end of December, I believe it will be unstoppable. But I really wanted to show you guys how the Builderall affiliate compensation plan works and detail that for you in this video and see why I love it so much, as well as why it fits my recurring revenue model that I mentioned in my last video perfectly. I'll link that video here if you haven't seen it yet. So if you stick around with me until the end, we're going to run some scenarios with the affiliate marketing compensation calculator so that you can see the potential of Builderall and their affiliate marketing program. We also look at 5 attributes that I believe you should look for in any product you promote. So first, let's take a quick jump into my computer and take a look at the compensation plan and how exactly it works. Okay, so here we are inside of my computer. What I wanted to explain about this new old compensation plan is that this is the plan that Builderall had when I first got started. They did a change earlier in the year, tried to make it a multi-tiered compensation plan, and that just didn't seem to work out very well. So they went back to the old compensation plan, which they just implemented last month, I believe. We're back in, it's a 2-tiered compensation plan. So that explains the beginning of the video where I said their new old compensation plan. So let's just flip through these slides and take a look at the compensation plan and how it works. All right, so this is how the compensation plan works for Builderall. On the first month of any sale that you make, you're going to earn 100% commission. Whichever plan the person that you bring into the company picks, you're going to get 100% commission. So currently they have 2 plans. We'll take a look at that. One's $69 and one's $29 a month. And if they pick the $69 plan, then you're going to get $69. On every subsequent month that the person renews their plan, you'll earn a 30% commission. Then anybody that you bring on that sells, that's the second tier, you'll also earn 30% on that. Let's pull up a calculator real quick. So on the $69.90 plan, that would be $21 minus whatever fees the service provider takes out. So let's just say $20. Just clean numbers. So on your first sale, you would earn $69.90 if you sold that plan. Every month after that, you're going to earn $20. If that person then in turn gets somebody under them, they'll fall into the second tier, and you'll earn 30% on that individual depending on whatever plan they come in at. So on to the next page. Here's the 2 plans that currently have to choose from. Now, this is going to be changing next month. They're changing things up. That is one thing. Builderall is always looking to improve on the way they do things. And so they're trying to offer more options for people starting in the month of January. Right now, they have a $29.90 plan. We'll take a look at what all that includes here shortly. And they also have a $69.90. And currently, that covers everything that they have to offer, all of the tools that Builderall has to offer. So in addition to those 2 tiers, they also offer a lifestyle bonus, and you can earn an extra $500 or $1,000 per month, depending on how many active users you actually have. So this bonus is yours to do whatever you wish with. Originally was designed as a car bonus, but now it's recognized as a bonus to help enhance your lifestyle. Use it however you choose. So here's how the bonus is earned. $500 is earned each month that you have 100 active users. So every month that you have 100 active users, you're going to earn an extra $500. That's over and above your 30% for those recurring commissions. If you have 200 active users, that's $1,000 a month. And again, that's over and above what you're actually earning. Remember, this is recurring income. So this isn't a one-time deal. And we'll run scenarios here in just a second, but let's take a quick look at plans and what they entail. So I'll bring in the plans. So here's your $29.90 plan and your $69.90 plan. The $29.90 plan is basically going to allow you to, is going to provide the Cheetah Builder, unlimited pages and subdomains. I believe you'll be limited to 3 URLs on this plan, if I'm not mistaken. Nope. 15 domains, I'm sorry. So you can have up to 15 individual domains on either plan, and 10,000 leads in your email marketing tool versus unlimited leads on the $69.90 plan. Again, like I said, all of the tools are available on the $69.90 plan, and I'll take you through some of those here in a minute. I would recommend the $69.90 plan, but it just depends on what you're doing. I mean, if you think you're only going to be building websites and you only need the email marketing, then the $29.90 plan may be the way to go. And again, like I said, this is going to be changing next month, so you can jump in here and take a quick look at all of the different tools that you have with either of the two plans. So there are the two plans. Here are a list of the tools. The Cheetah Builder, the Canvas Funnel Builder. I've done a video on this as well. Professional webinar app, so you can do webinars through here. The email marketing platform, a CRM. This is a fairly new tool with the rollout of 3.0, and they continue to make improvements on all of these. E-commerce, which is also part of the 3.0 rollout in July. A digital magazine builder, which is very cool. I just actually saw somebody using this the other day to build their lead magnets. I thought that was incredible. The e-learning platform, which is under construction right now, just a renewal of the e-learning platform, an upgrade and improvement. That's going to be awesome from what I understand. A ton of tools in here that you would have to generally pay extra for. These are all part of the $69.90 plan. So just something to think about. Again, you have to kind of decide what it is you're going to do with the platform and what fits your pocketbook and your needs. Okay, and then let's take a look at the two calculators. I'm going to do a quick look at the Builderall $69.90 plan. So if you were to make, let's just say that, for instance, you made one sale, $69.90. That's going to your estimated recurring income after 1 year building your business. So let's just say that you made one sale a month in your first year. So you made 12 sales, direct sales at the of the $69.90 plan. That would be a $240 a month recurring income. Not to mention that you also earned the $59 or the $69 on the first month. So it's basically 11 months so that would be your recurring income, $240 a month. Now let's just say that 6 of those, how many affiliates can you bring in? Let's just say that half of those became affiliates. So let's do 6 of those. Now that's not going to change your monthly income, but what's going to change your monthly income, and then how many sales can each affiliate make in a year? And let's just say that they only make 6. So that turns into $960 a month based on these numbers. And again, you know, one sale a month is pretty low end. So if you could, obviously, if you can double that, you're jumping up to 1,120. And let's say that, didn't double it, that's $1,200 a month. And then let's say that you can do half of those. That's puts you at almost $2,000. Okay, that's not chump change. That's pretty decent. You know, that's pretty decent money for only bringing in two sales a month. All right, if you can recruit more affiliates, take it up to 18, obviously it's jumping up. You can see how these numbers change, and this is monthly recurring and also doesn't take into account your lifestyle bonus, but also doesn't take into account that you got 100% earned on these individuals on month number 1. So keep that in mind. So not everybody is going to join your $69.90 plan. This is the essential plan, and this is a $29.90 a month plan. And let's say you can make 6 of those a year, maybe even 10, because that probably isn't easier. And say I don't know, let's say 4 of those become affiliates, and if they were to sell 4 in a year, there's an additional $427 a month. Again, you earned $29.90 on that first month. This is taking into account your 100% on that $29.90. So you made 10, that's $299, and then 4 times 4, that's your 4 sales and your 4 second tier sales at $8. That's an additional $128 a month. So you earned $427. Okay, so let's take a look at let's run a couple of scenarios here just to make sure we're following this. So if I made 1 sale at $69.90, what that's going to do is, so if we made 1 sale, you're earning $69.90 the first month. Okay, that's not taking, on this calculator, that's not taking that into consideration. And then you're going to earn $20 a month thereafter. And if that one person you bring in makes a sale of Builderall, that's going to be $40 a month, because you're earning 30% each subsequent month on this sale, and then you're also earning 30% on this person. And that works the same for this individual. When they're going to earn 30% on this person, and if this person makes a sale, they're going to earn an additional 30%. So let's say we do 12 sales in the first year. That's only 1 a month. That's nothing. And of those 12, let's say that 6 become affiliates. And of those 6, let's say that they recruit 6. That's $960 a month. And those are pretty, that's not taking into account the fact that on those 12, you earned 69. So this should be, let's get a calculator here. So let's go $69.90 times 12. That's $838.80 plus 720 equals, so you would earn $1,558 that first year. So if you divided that by 12, that's basically what you're going to be earning, $130 a month. So guys, under this scenario, if you brought in 12, out of those 12, half of those people became affiliates, and then half of those people, so that's 6, also each of them sold 6, and that's pretty conservative, obviously. Then you're going to be earning $960 a month as an affiliate, based on these numbers. Now watch how this changes when we go up. Let's say you did 2 and that sold 24 in the first year, and that you doubled your number of affiliates to 12. And let's just say that they only sold 6 still. You can see that jumps up to almost $2,000 a month. And that's just the $69.90 plan. That doesn't take into consideration the fact that there's a $29.90 plan available as well. So we'll look at that one next. I'll bring that calculator up, and we'll just look at, let's say in addition to bringing in those 24, let's say that you brought in a conservative 6 at the 29. These are the people that just want to use the builders and the email marketing. Okay, so they're doing whatever, they own a cake business, and they're building their own website, and they're collecting emails, and they want to use just a few of the tools that are included in that $29.90. Let's say that they also, 3 of those became affiliates because they want to supplement their income, and those affiliates brought in, let's just say 2. So that's only 6. So that's an additional $227 a month over and above what we had already had here. So you're right there on those numbers alone. You're making you'd be at like $2,200 a month. Now keep in mind, these are just scenarios, no guarantee. The only guarantee is that these are the numbers that would be paid out. No guarantee that this is the kind of money you're going to make, because of course, like everybody says, we don't know what you're going to do. We don't know you. We don't know what you're going to, how much effort you're going to put forth and that sort of thing. But these are the scenarios and the payouts based on Builderall's compensation plan currently. So that should give you a pretty good insight to the affiliate marketing compensation plan. And I mentioned earlier in the video that there are 5 attributes that Builderall has, and why I think it's a great product, and any product that you promote should have, if not all of these, pretty much all of these. Here are the 5 attributes that Builderall has and why it's a great product to use and promote. And these 5 attributes I believe you should search for when you look somewhere to plant your flag. You're looking for a quality product with continued efforts by the company to improve upon what they have and how it functions. And Builderall definitely is doing that. They're constantly trying to improve upon each of the tools that they provide. I love software as a service. SaaS stands for software as a service, and it stands the test of time. People stay on because they need the tools. The value is tremendous for what you get in Builderall, and people love the community and the platform. And I can't say enough about the community. Platform is built for marketers and by marketers. They deliver very high converting sales funnels as well as tremendous value. These tools are in high demand, digital marketing solutions that entrepreneurs and business owners need and look for every day. And the best way to build long-term sustainable business is to promote products and services that people need in order to survive. By promoting the monthly and annual plans, you can begin building monthly recurring income for months and years to come. So those are the things I would look for in any product that I was looking to promote. And again, it doesn't have to be software as a service. When you're promoting a software, those are products that people tend to hold on to. I can speak from experience when I say I have personally held on to software that I didn't even use for fear of losing it. I think people in general, when they sign up for software, they tend to stay on board with it much longer. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys got some value out of this one, regardless of what business you align yourself with or create. Don't forget to like and comment below. Give me a big, I'm using air quotes, I'm excited in the comments below. And click the bell icon to be notified when I release my next video. And until the next video, peace.